Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. Today, we're going to talk about some of the objections people have when it comes to Kajabi and why I still think Kajabi is the best platform for you to run your online business. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. Kajabi is too expensive, Graham. Oh my gosh. First of all, old Grandpa Graham is going to make fun of you and tell you that back in my day, to run an online business, you needed at least $200 to $500 a month to slap a bunch of things together. And now it costs hardly anything to run a business that not only is just as good as what I would have paid $500 a month for back then, but is easier because it's not a bunch of tools duct taped together. One login, my entire business at my disposal. So A, you've got it good no matter what platform you use in this beautiful day and age. 2, let's compare what Kajabi costs compared to the other tools that it replaced. For one, if you have a website, you have to pay for hosting. Here's a platform that I've used to host one of my websites for many, many years until I've moved it over to Kajabi. Kinsta, their smallest plan starts at $30 a month. Realistically though, you can't have a ton of people visiting your website, so that's good when you get started, but as soon as you get more than 25,000 visits, which if you're trying to grow a business, you will, you're gonna have to upgrade. I was around the $100 a month mark, but let's just take the $30 a month to have good hosting for your WordPress site. And you do want a WordPress site or something that's customizable so you can add the plugins that you need to slap a business onto it. Otherwise, it's just a front-facing website and you can't actually do anything on it for your business. So $30 a month there to host it. 2, you're gonna need email marketing. Here's ConvertKit, one of the best. I love ConvertKit. I used to use it. Their plan that allows you to have any kind of automation or funnel starts at $29 a month, but you only get 1,000 subscribers. That's great when you're starting out, but you want way more than 1,000 email subscribers to support your business. So soon you're going to be getting to 5,000, then 10,000, and then eventually 100,000 and beyond. That's going to cost you a lot of money. Before I moved from ConvertKit over to Kajabi, I was paying over $2,000 a month just to maintain my email list. Yeah, but let's just take $30 a month there at the base price. Lead pages. If you want to have any kind of beautiful squeeze pages, opt-in pages, landing pages for anything, and the more you get into online business, and the more you're going to realize you're going to have online squeeze opt-in pages for all kinds of stuff. You do a free summit, you want to give them a free gift, make a quick, beautiful automated opt-in page that's just for them with lingo just for them so they can opt into your email list. You don't want it to have anything else on it. Lead pages is great. I used to use it. Starts out at $27 a month, which is actually cheaper than what I was paying for, but let's just use that again, almost $30 a month. We're now up to $90 a month if you're keeping track. Automated webinars. Auto webinars are the name of the game. They allow you to pitch higher priced products and add a ton of value to people automatically without you having to show up and do live webinars every day or even once a week. Is a great tool to take maybe a high performing live webinar and turn it automated. EverWebinar used to be the name of the game, and their cheapest plan is an installment plan. If you want to do $199 times 3. Otherwise, it's $500 a year, right? So you're looking at anywhere between $40 and $50 a month to be able to do automated webinars, which is super, super critical. These 4 tools alone, and Kajabi does more than these 4 tools alone, at their cheapest price, you're looking at $130 to $140 a month. Kajabi starts out at $119 a month if you go the annual plan basic. And that's all you need to make a killer income. You can have multiple products, unlimited landing pages, unlimited emails, 10,000 people on your email list, not the 1,000 that ConvertKit gives you. You can have 1,000 paying customers, right? Those are the active members. You can host your website, you get free hosting. You also get other stuff like the webinars, like I said, auto webinars. You get quizzes, they call assessments. You get support, you get automations, which we haven't even gotten to yet. All of this for just $119 a month. So in a lot of cases, Kajabi is the cheaper alternative, but I'll give it to you, even if it's not the cheaper alternative, it's just as much as what you're paying for when you strap all these tools together. Now, there are other competitors to Kajabi, some of them that do exactly what Kajabi claims to do, or they claim to do exactly what Kajabi does. And I've done some comparison videos on those as well, whether it's Teachable or Kartra. There's a bunch of them. So check out those videos too. Be very clear when you look at them and compare them side to side. They don't all do the same thing. Or if they do some of the same things, Kajabi gives you way more editability, customization, which becomes really, really important. It's a much more robust platform on Kajabi. So don't let price be the thing that holds you back from Kajabi. $119 a month, or even if you have to pay monthly, $149 a month to run easily a multiple 6-figure business at that basic plan is nothing. And it's the same price you're gonna pay if you strap all those other tools together. Kajabi is the opposite of complicated. Now, do not mistake powerful and deep as complicated. Kajabi is both a powerful platform and it can be very deep. There are some very cool advanced things you can do in Kajabi. That doesn't mean it has to be complicated. At its surface, Kajabi is very basic and simple to use. You have your website that you can build and design. You can upload videos to create courses or even audio courses. You can track your sales by creating simple offers and deciding what the price point should be and what the thumbnail should look like. Then you can send out emails to your list. You can keep track of all your people because it's a CRM and it's a database for all your people to know what they've done and what they clicked on and how they landed on your product page. What email did they actually open or not open? You can see all of that. It's very simple. Just build your website, upload some videos for your product, create an offer, attach it to that product, and email it out to people and make money. Don't let all that Kajabi can do complicate things for you and overwhelm you. If anything, start with the pipelines, which are one-click funnels to do whatever you want to do. As much as I love Kajabi, and believe me, I love it, as much as I use it daily for both of my businesses, and I do, as much as it has made my life easier, and it has, and has allowed me to make more money, and it has, and as much as I evangelize it to you and share the good news about it as being the platform that I really recommend you build your business on, if you have Kajabi, that alone will not put money in your pocket. There's one critical thing that you need to make money online, no matter what platform you use, no matter what you sell or do. And you know what that is? It's an audience. You need people. If Kajabi could give you a dedicated warm list of leads when you bought it, game over, right? You don't even have to think. You just buy it and you print money. And I know that Kajabi, to sell their product, has to explain to you that it's all you need to make money. What they mean is it's all the tools you need to make money. 100% true. What you need, though, is an audience. And this is what I get a little nervous about when people get excited about any tool in business. But let's just pick on Kajabi. They say, oh my gosh, Graham, you're right. Kajabi's amazing. They use my free trial link. They're playing around with it. They launch something. They go through my course, Ready, Set, Kajabi, and they're like, I see, it's so easy. It is easy. It's easy to make something beautiful. It's easy to launch it. You don't have to be tech savvy to play with it. But if you build a course and it's easy and it's fun and you're loving it, and then you go to launch it and you have no one to sell it to or promote it to, good luck making money. You just can't. That's why you need to pair a tool like Kajabi with a dedicated audience building strategy. That can be anything from having a podcast to a blog to doing YouTube videos. I do all three. It can be running Facebook ads or YouTube ads if you really need to. It can be collaborating with somebody else. It can be speaking on stages or on virtual summits and getting in front of other people's audiences. Whatever it is, you have to get in front of people. You have to build know, like, and trust factor with them. And then you have to be able to offer them something. And that's where Kajabi comes into play. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochrane.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.